what you see is what you get.
I told you it's a yes here. And have a date in the museum. So.
Is that a date? Date in the museum?
I said you guys should have a date. I never said it was a date. I was a date. We're getting to know each other. We're dating.
Okay.
Yun. A really, really, really good moment in my life, and I'm just, you know, my friends know, my family, know, everything that's, and it's time for me to just like really go with the flow. It's been really light and good, and it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. I wish that everyone can experience this cooperation that I'm receiving from God, from the universe, and everything. With work, with personal, with my dreams, with my barber.
Happening right now on Showbiz Balita.
Mas nakakahiya, hindi talaga ako.
Ano pa?
Kasi talaga ako usually nagkakwento ng mga ganito eh. Pero mukhang kunenta na ni Eko lahat. So ano pa mga
But she's an amazing person.
She is.
Very sweet, very kind, very funny, and very dedicated, and good actress, and we just like share a lot of things, and we thought, hey, you're fun, I'm fun, we're fun, so let's go to the museum. Sure.
Yeah.
So
that's a date.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aminado si Janine Gutierrez na kinilig siya sa revelation sa kasama niya sa show sa Lavender Fields na si Jericho Rosales tungkol sa kanilang dating status. Nanibagong aktres ang pagiging open sa kanyang love life.
Yes, she is an amazing person. Very nice dating. So, yung museum na nakita kayo together, I know you've heard about it, you saw photos of it. Pero, so yeah, inadmit niya na you guys are dating. Are you gonna say the same, or is it?
I guess so. Yeah, it's been fun. It's been fun getting to know him and hanging out with him outside of work. So, masaya naman.
He also mentioned that parang na-meet and greet na niya yung family.
Grabe, ano pa bang kuneta niya? Dapat pagkatapos nung Iris trailer, mayroon ding recap ng Jericho Junket.
Actually, kinabahan kami for you.
Talaga? Oh my God.
I guess so. I mean, parang unexpected lang naman. Yeah, super unexpected.
Is it love for art? Kasi 'di ba parang they've been seeing you Makati National Museum.
Yeah, parang everything kind of just happened, like really unexpected. I guess we get along lang pala, and ayun.
Oh, wow! Pero,
mas nakakahiya, hindi talaga ako.
Ano pa?
Kasi talaga ako usually nagkakwento ng mga ganito eh. Pero mukhang kunenta na ni Eko lahat. So ano pa mga
I was also surprised. So I just sinakyan ko lang. It's a yes year for me.
Oh!
Yeah, all good stuff.
Kaya pala we see you everywhere. And then randomly.
Yeah.
Art gallery. Oh, di ba?
Yeah, of course, di ba? Of course.
Yeah. Go.
Parang may hilingin ka pa ba? Looks-wise, Janine, parang okay lang.
Grabe ka. Wow, totoo ba? Yun talaga joke. Alam ko yung joke.
I'm looking at her and I'm always like...
Ganda niya.
Oh my God, yeah.